All right, the product design is almost complete. The next step is to find a way to plumb together all the air and fluid lines in your new design. Often, this is, for better or worse, not considered until the end of the project, but if you must route fluid lines around various components and throughout your instruments, then you'll have to specify a tubing that is flexible, easy to bend, does not kink, and is abrasion resistant. Often these are for relatively low pressure applications, such as under 150 psi or 10 bar. A typical choice for this situation is polyurethane tubing. Polyurethane tubing has excellent memory characteristics, it's easy to bend, resists kinking, and is compatible with most compressed gases and some common liquids. Tubing hardness should be considered when selecting the tubing. Polyurethane or vinyl tubing in the 85 to 95 short A durometer range is a good choice. Softer materials such as 50 durometer silicone or fluorocarbon may also be used, although these softer tubes cannot handle higher pressures, and there are additional considerations to take into account when specifying the proper barb size. A tubing clamp might also be required. Later, I'll discuss the various clamp options available. Now, to source the proper fitting for polyurethane tubing. Barb style fittings, such as these ones here, are simple to use and compact in design. The Beswick design introduced the single line contact barb, which tightly grips to the inner diameter of the tubing, creating a leak-tight seal. When you push the tubing over the barb, the tubing expands over the line contact and then contracts back onto the fitting shank behind the edge of the barb. The sharp barb digs into the inside diameter of the tubing, making a high-pressure line contact, thereby ensuring a reliable seal. Properly designed barb fittings allow this tubing to be easily pushed onto the fitting, but make it difficult to push off. So one thing you may want to note, Christmas tree barbs, such as this one, don't have the line contact seal. They get pushed on fairly easily. And the problem is they can also be taken off fairly easily as well, which is not what you want. Take a look at our Beswick tubing installation guide YouTube video for further details.